Hello guys, today I will show you how to download Cheat Engine. In another video I will explain you what is it, how to work with it in Cheat Engine and every stuff, all of the stuff about. But in this video I am actually going to show you how to download it. So all you need to do is just search for Cheat Engine. We want Cheat Engine 6.7 latest version. Okay, save. Now we can see the X is downloading. Oh, what happened? Stop working. Okay. Now we are gonna open it. Click yes, there are no viruses. I promise. Okay, then just you need to finish this clicking bar. Yes. No, we don't do run a free antivirus. Install. Now it's installing. Can next, finish. Now actually it opened. So I'll explain this to you in another video. So now we have the Cheat Engine. I think it's a very cool application because you can change everything in games and crap like this. So okay, I hope you like this video. Make sure you click the subscribe button. Goodbye.